What's up everyone, Michael Boy TV. We're watching Batman. Sorry if it's a little distracting, but I'm trying to make a video right now. So I'm going to be editing. And I'm going to be editing. Let's see what video I should edit. I'm going to edit
a video.
Yeah, but a shout out video I did in my creator studio on YouTube, and I'm going to be adding music and end screens to it. So hold up guys, I'm going to press edit. I'm screen recording this on my Kindle. So we're going to go to audio. And then, what song should I do, guys? Wait, I'm going to pause that video. How about Open Sea Morning?
Look at me. You're too good for that. He needs to open his eyes and
See what? Nah, let's do a different song. How about Look Busy? Let's search that. It's by Kevin MacLeod. I'm searching it right now, guys. Here it is. I'm just saving it. It's already in progress, the edit. Now I'm going to be showing you how to add end screens. So once you're done, you need to make, if you want to have the edits saved, you make sure you click save. Now I'm going to be showing you how to add end screens. And there's also annotations, but those ended on May 2nd, 2017. And I never even used them. So, but I sometimes do use end screens. Let's just wait for it to load here. Yep, 2 million years later. That's my sister, guys, by the way. Okay, it is 2 million years later. Joking, but I'm gonna add an element. Let's go, or press use template if you want to have a sort of a template. It's gonna be clicked on this one. Select, and it has my channel icon to click on and subscribe. Then I'm going to choose a video or playlist, and I'm going to have my newest video so far before this is posted. So on my way to a Boy Scouts camp, and then I'm going to press save. Working on it. Now I'm going to add 2 more elements. I'm going to choose a video playlist. I'm going to do my cousin's birthday party. Now I'm going to add 1 more element. I'm going to do the force effects video that I edited. Create element. And there you go. So basically what these are is when you're some channels, they like to do this. You click on your channel icon, or you can click on links, like other videos to click on, but they're on the video screen while you're watching the video, which is kind of a little difficult to explain, but this is what they look like if you look closely on my screen. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please smash that like button and subscribe. Bye.